This is Mr. Burgess, and I'm just going to quickly show you one way that you can share your documents that you're typing up to your My Blueprint. So here you can see I'm in a student My Blueprint area. I'm going to click on Portfolios. This is where you want to hand stuff in, and hopefully by now you have already created one portfolio to hand work into myself, Mr. Burgess, and one more to hand work into Mr. McDonald. Okay. While I'm waiting for the portfolios to come up, I'm going to go over to my, here we go. So here's my work for Mr. Burgess. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go inside, and just give it a second. There it is. So it's like a desert in here. Means I've got to add a box and add something to it. So, but first let's go over to OneDrive. Now, I've already signed into my OneDrive. Remember, this is your 6 or 7 student number, 6 or 7 digit student number followed by @sd79.bc.ca. And if you can't remember the password, let me know. And let's say you've created a document and you on your computer and you want to share it. Now you could actually be creating it right in OneDrive. Don't forget they have Word in here, so you can just create a brand new document. It'll be here. That way you don't have to upload it to the OneDrive. It'll be here waiting for you, and you can then edit it on any device, phone, iPad, computer, whatever. But if you were working on a home computer and you want to share it, well, this is one way. You can click Upload. Files, then you're going to go find a file. So I'm going to go into Documents, and I'm going to find I'm going to go into Bonner, and I'll find any file, grade 6, 7 ideas. Okay, and let's say that's your homework. You're going to click it, you're going to click Open, and that's it. It should start to upload. I can see in the top right hand corner, it just flashed very quickly there. Oh, now it's saying uploaded 1 item to documents. The larger the document, the longer it's going to take. So if you have pictures in your document, that kind of thing, it's going to take a while. Here it is here. Here's grade 6, 7 ideas. Okay, so you've got it here in your OneDrive. Now it's time to share it. There's a couple ways to share this. You can click on this little share arrow, and this will open a little window. And if you know my email, you can send it this way. This will allow me to edit it. If you don't want me to edit it, you can click and change that. You can change it to so that I can only view it. I won't make any changes to your work, but and then you can just type my last name. It should hopefully find up. Oh, there's my wife, daughter, and there's me with my head inside a Lego lion. And that's it. You can type a little message if you like, hit send, and it's gone. But let's so that's one way. The other way is to actually post it to your My Blueprint. So I'm gonna, before I click send here, I'm gonna copy the link. Now what that does is it here's the link here, so a long line of gibberish. When you click copy, it's now kind of saved that long line, that link that brings me to your document. Okay, so I'm going to close that. So again, you can share by clicking here and typing my name, and then clicking send. I'm just taking a moment here. Burgess. And you choose it from the list and send. So I would get that. I'm going to get that in my email now that I just shared my own document. Or you can click share and then simply copy the link. So I'm going to copy the link one more time. Oh, please enter a name. I don't know if I need to. Well, I guess I do need to. You can put in Burgess. Select it. I'm going to copy the link. I'll copy that. Link copied, that's great. Okay, so let's go over to My Blueprint. It's like a desert in here. I'm going to click add a box. Now when you click add a box, you get a menu of choices. I'm going to click add media, and it gives you these choices. If you want to use your device to take a picture in the moment or a video in the moment, you can do that. If you want to record your voice, you can do that. If you have a file on your computer, you can upload it this way, but if you have a file from OneDrive, you're going to link to it. So I'm going to click link, And then I've got to paste it here. Now pasting, if you're on a PC, it's right click and then you get paste. On a Mac, you hold Command and V. Command V will allow it to link to it. Now it's going to be a long line of gibberish, and if I scroll through it with my arrow key, you'll see it's going to go all the way through it like this. There we go. Now I click go. Title would be work for the week. Make sure you give it a title of something, whatever it may be, math, science, etc. And then post. Okay. Now when I get that, if I go back to my teacher account, and I'm going to refresh this page if I can. I'm going to give it a second here to refresh. When I go into my teacher account, it should be coming any second now. All the work that you are sharing will show up automatically. So I'm at the mercy here. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to go into feed. This might take a moment as well to bring this up. This will show, feed shows me everything that you're adding to my blueprint. And I was using Ivy's account. I called it work for the week. So let me show you how it behaves. When I click on this, it's going to take me, hopefully, to that document. There it is. Grade 6-7 ideas. This was the document that I was meaning to share. And then I'll be able to download it, make comments on it, and then post it right back to you, either to my blueprint or to your parents' email. Okay, that's it. I'm going to sign off now. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with me through email or bring your questions to our Zoom session.